Welcome to Ballad by Lionheart, tips and tricks for everyday soul. Your machine, like you, holds memories, burdens, and tired circuits. But it's not beyond saving. Let's breathe life back into it, shall we? Step 1. Press Ctrl, Shift, Escape. The same keys Flamekeeper is pointing at right now. That's how they look on your keyboard, and it opens Task Manager instantly. Sort by CPU or memory to see what's draining your system, as you see over here on the screen. Next, click on the Startup Apps tab, and right-click the apps you don't need and disable them. It will speed up the startup of your computer. Cautious tip. Do not disable Microsoft Defender or any antivirus you have on your system. Now, as you see here, these are the ones I have disabled on my system. Honestly, speeds up my system big time. Now, press the Windows key and the letter R, just like the one the Flamekeeper is pointing at. That opens your run command instantly. Now that the run command opened, we're gonna go ahead and type %temp% as you see on the screen. Then we're gonna hit enter or press OK. Now the folder opens up. Once it opens, press Ctrl plus A at the same time, just like the ones the Flamekeeper pointing at right now. That highlights everything in there. Now, if you're comfortable, press delete. That sent all those temporary files to your recycle bin. If you really want them gone for good, you can press Shift plus Delete instead, just like the ones the Flamekeeper pointing at right now. Just know they won't go to the recycle bin, so you do that if you're sure. Either way, you're not deleting anything important anyways. These are just leftovers your system doesn't need anymore. If you choose to delete permanently, a pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Just press OK, you're safe to continue. You're not breaking anything. It's just your system double-checking that you meant it. A pop-up like this might appear. Don't panic. Just check. Do this for all current items and click Skip. These are just temporary files still being used. You're not breaking anything. Nothing is broken. Sometimes it's not about being broken, just a little too full. Same with us, isn't it? Clear the clutter, let the circuit breathe, tech and soul alike. We all deserve a fresh start. Next on Everyday Soul, that's cleanup made simple. See you there.